Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Asahi Pentax-M 28mm f2.8. Some time ago I showed you the Asahi Pentax-M 28mm f3.5, saying that I would have liked to try the 2.8, and now I have it. Well, I've had it for around a year now, but you know me, I take my time to use a lens before reviewing it. Anyway, let's take a closer look. The lens is made out of metal, it weighs around 150 grams, it is 31 to 35 millimeters long, and it has an external diameter of 63 millimeters with a 49 millimeters front thread. The iris has 5 blades, the aperture is clicked, and it goes from f2.8 to f22 with half steps. The focusing ring is rubberized, it turns 90 degrees, and minimum focusing distance is 30 centimeters. The Pentax K mount has a flange distance of 45.46 millimeters. This lens is short and lightweight, so even with the adapter, it fits well even on small mirrorless bodies. The focusing is smooth and precise even with the short 90 degrees throw, and build quality is always great with Asahi Pentax lenses. Sharpness wide open is great in the center and a bit soft in the corners with some vignetting. By f8 it gets even more sharp in the center with just a bit of softness in the corners. Chromatic aberration is almost absent and you would have to pixel peep to find some. Colors, contrast and saturation are warm and a touch rolled off, as all lenses from this series. Specular highlights have harder edges, but backgrounds do not feel cluttered or busy. Flares and ghosting are very well controlled even when shining a light directly into the lens. And now, as always, let me show you some samples. I have to confess that I was a bit worried that this lens would end up being underwhelming because of how praised the 3.5 is on the internet. But, well, I'm happy to report that the 2.8 is indeed a very good lens. In fact, I've been using it on a project I'm working on that I cannot show you without getting demonetized, but I can tell you that it is capable of rendering every individual pore of the human skin even wide open. In the next few weeks, I will upload the comparison with the 3.5, and in the meantime, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!